What's going on, Wolfpack fam? It's your boy Kid back at it again. Hope everyone is doing great. It's been a long time coming, but we have a Frankie Boyle for you today. This one is called Gasping. Shout out to the homie Tiny Tadger for this one. Appreciate that, homie. Yes, we do know what the word means, guys, just in case. But let's do it. Let's check it out for the very first time. Let's go see it. Oh shit.
You alright, you stupid prick? Oh.
Hold up. Don't wake me up asleep in the other room. Okay. Oh. Wow. Sneaky, sneaky. Drinking. A lot.
You're a good man. You're well liked. I hate to do this when the company's fought so hard to survive the double dip recession. Or triple dip, if we factor in your minibar bills. I'm gonna have to let you go, Harv. Lemonade.
Cheap fuck. Cheap prick.
See you at the school, Daddy.
Suggested all the way back to junction 19, but the fourth road. 3,000 cans of
He didn't
lager
pick her
on
up.
the Slip Road off the north.
Oh shoot.
How could you? Why won't you talk to me? You used to be so open, so loving, so funny.
Daddy's still funny, Mummy.
No, he isn't, Ellie.
Yes, he is. He is funny. He was singing and dancing and being funny at the party we had in the house.
That wasn't a party, darling. That was something called an intervention.
Ooh.
Stop running away from your problems, Harvey.
Still game.
I'm in my third lover.
Bobby, Let's go. I'm loving that we've seen some Still Game cast up in here.
I put vodka in an omelette once.
I've never been to church, but I'm willing to accept Jesus as my master if it'll free me from this prison.
I'm crazy for the drink.
Harvey, it's Rory Napier. Listen, I heard you parted company with Graham and Galloway. I also heard you're not having much luck with anyone else. This is the bottom of the barrel crawling, buddy. I want you back in my team. Fly up to Scare Friday, I'll give you the tour, and we'll get absolutely smashed. Just like old times. Woohoo!
An alcoholic working for a whiskey distillery? I mean, that's like a paedophile working at the Early Learning Centre. Harvey, when I said stop running away from your problems, I didn't mean run full speed towards them.
He's got a point for him.
You hate flying. You all set, aye? If I get one whiff of drink off you when you're back, we're leaving.
Little kid cute.
Come on!
That's hard. Oh boy.
I mean, this boy ran marathons. Thin as a pin. Never smoked, never drank. He's in his house, top of the stairs, heart attack. Bottom of the stairs, dead. All that units per day stuff is utter bollocks. Drink as much as you like, is what I say. What about this death trap, eh? I mean, this thing must have been built when? 60? 61? Look, ashtrays for...
Can I get you a drink?
Large whiskey, please.
Care for an in-flight beverage, sir?
Can I get his? I'm a nervous flyer.
Frank. Really good seeing Still Game cast in here. You can appreciate this even more.
Been in operation since 1820. You use peat smoke to dry the barley. It's a great smell on earth. Other than... We can produce up to 2 million litres of alcohol per annum. That's enough to give even you a sore head. Remember South Africa? Rusty nails and the horrible hookers? Yours had a claw hand. Come on, let me show you this.
Oh boy. Temptation. Don't do it, my man. Oh shit.
We're all going to Monza this year. All expenses paid. We're going to get up to all sorts of shit. These casks, double-barreled. Some pretty famous clientele I bought these over the years. Bono, John Wayne, Pol Pot. Until he quit. He said it made him mean. So how's your swing?
Oh man.
Remember Osaka? Centauri secretaries. You want to do it all again? You with me? You feel me? You get me? Take a drink. Smell it.
Here, buddy. Your bad friend, man. Temptation. Don't do it, bud. Yes.
Fucking socking it windbag.
Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Oh,
don't worry, I've seen it. Have a nice flight.
Damn, it's looking like it's about to do the biggest downpour. Damn. Pissing down.
Ladies and gents, this is your captain speaking, hoping to get underway in 5 minutes' time. Please take your seats and make sure your luggage is properly stowed. We are expecting quite a bit of turbulence on tonight's flight.
My boy Tam in the background right there. I'm loving this.
So I would ask you to remain in your seats for the duration.
Don't worry, son. We'll be in Glasgow in 5 minutes with this tailwind.
Rick.
This is grim.
Oh my God.
Where's the drink?
Naughty, naughty. Oh boy.
Tell me what you want.
Why doesn't this happen in any of the flights that I go to?
Tell me what you need.
Oh boy. Hot in here.
What seems to be the problem here?
He won't drink.
It's ridiculous. He's gagging for one. Look at him. Take a small whiskey. You're concerning the other passengers. Get a couple of these miniatures scuttled and they can have a feel of Cindy's arse while you're doing it.
Can I help you? I'm an air marshal.
On a flight from Skera.
Terror can strike anywhere. You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
This man doesn't drink. He could be Al-Qaeda.
He
Oh
has
my
been
God.
acting suspiciously. Refused my half bottle.
Average?
Shoe bomber. Who doesn't drink on a plane?
Well, but 17,000 feet. Too late to pull him off.
It's never too late for that.
Get a drink down him!
Wait a minute! Who's flying the plane?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Glasgow Airport where the temperature is 2 degrees. Please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete and full stop. We wish to thank you for choosing to fly with us today and look forward to seeing you again in the future.
Oh boy. It's one way to have a drink. 2-0. We'll watch the whole thing just in case. Right. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's pause that. All right, we just want to make sure that we didn't miss nothing, guys. So hang tight for a second. Wow, what a scene, guys. This was amazing. First off, for me, it's been a long time since we've seen any Frankie Boyle, sketches. We reacted to a few of his, so we're definitely familiar with the character, with himself. Not the character, but seeing my still game cast in there, got a little bit of everything. Was really cool seeing them in there. It made it more enjoyable for me. If anyone's watched still game, which I'm sure some of you have as well, it just made that scene really good. Now, seeing that he wasn't talking a lot in the beginning, Frankie Boyle, he wasn't talking a lot. It's really good to see this type of side of him, acting, seeing an acting side of it. And I have to say he was obsessional. I can't say the word, but you get what I'm saying. He was absolutely fantastic in his acting right there. And this one hits me a little bit harder because we definitely have had people in the family with, having problems with alcohol. And a buddy of mine, when I was growing up, when I was in my young 20s, I think he was like 18, 19 or something like that. He pretty much passed away from having a drinking issue. So this one hits hard, but very powerful message in it, just how tough and difficult dealing with alcoholism is. There's a lot of temptation, whether you got it from your friends, you got billboards or you got signs in the background. It reminded me a little bit of when we watched Chewing the Fat. There was a sketch that they used to have, that they would just say, when there was a drinking scene, that they were just encouraging everyone to drink, have a drink, and the person would just be like, no, and then bam, after a while, the peer pressure, because peer pressure is a bitch. So I liked seeing this side of Frankie. It was definitely enjoyable, funny for me, hands down. Everything around it, the temptation from the stewardess, big time temptation there. I've definitely not experienced that on flights. I would have loved to switch places with Frankie. I would have been like, yes. So shout out to my boy, Tiny Thatcher, for this one. This was a great recommendation. I love each and every one of you guys who have been recommending me content and things to be checking out. The channel doesn't go anywhere without you all, so give yourselves a round of applause. Fantastic scene. We got more things in store for you guys, more content heading your way. We're going to be pushing the envelope a lot more. So thank you. Leave your thoughts below, and whether you enjoyed it or not, let me know, guys. Peace and love, my dudes. Peace and love.